Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're going to see what new updates have launched with Django 6.0. We'll look at native background tasks, template partials, content security policy, email API improvements, PostgreSQL search upgrades, project setup changes, shell experience improvements, and the new default primary key. Let's see what each feature does and why it matters. Stop installing Celery for simple tasks. Django 6.0 is officially here, released in December 2025, and it just killed half your requirements.txt file. Features that once needed third-party packages are now built directly into Django itself. We now get native background tasks, template partials, and a major security upgrade right out of the box. Less setup, fewer dependencies, and a cleaner developer experience. Let's dive into everything that's new in Django 6.0. First, the headline feature, background tasks. For over a decade, sending a simple welcome email meant setting up Celery, Redis, and extra infrastructure. Django 6.0 changes that. It introduces a native, built-in background task framework that lets you run code outside the request-response cycle. The system is fully pluggable. You can still use Redis or external workers if you need them. But the API now lives inside Django itself. Fewer dependencies, simpler deployments, and cleaner architecture. This is a massive win for developer productivity. Next up, template partials. And if you love HTMX or Unpoly, you're really going to love this. Previously, rendering just a small part of a page meant pulling in third-party packages or writing extra glue code. Django 6.0 introduces native template partials. You can now define named fragments directly inside your templates and re-render only that specific section. This makes it incredibly easy to build dynamic, spa-like interfaces, all while staying fully inside the Django template language with no front-end framework required. On the security front, Django 6.0 now includes built-in content security policy support. You can define browser-level CSP rules directly in your settings to block script injection and XSS attacks, no extra middleware or third-party packages required. And for PostgreSQL developers, they're a powerful upgrade to full-text search. The new lexem expression gives you fine-grained control over how searches behave. You can now use logical operators like and, or, and not directly inside your search queries, making complex search logic both cleaner and more expressive. Before you upgrade, there are a couple of important things to check. Django 6.0 now requires Python 3.12 or higher. So if your project is still running on Python 3.10 or 3.11, you'll need to upgrade Python first. There's also a key database change to be aware of. Big Auto field is now the strict default for all new models. That means Django uses 64-bit IDs by default, making it practically impossible to ever run out of primary key values. A big win for long-term scalability, especially in large applications.